Hi everyone, welcome back to Workato in a minute. My name is Manav and I'll be explaining how to customize the scheduling of your recipes. When setting up your recipes to run on a simple recurring schedule, you can run it at a frequency of your choosing, whether that's every 5 minutes, every 3 hours, or every other day, just by specifying the time unit here. But what happens when you need a more customized frequency for your tasks? For example, let's say that you want to send out a monthly report at 9 a.m. on the first Tuesday of every month. Or let's say that you have to load data into Snowflake at noon on the fifth day of the first month in every quarter. For both of these examples and much more, you can use the custom scheduler in Workato. The custom schedule option gives you the same power and flexibility of the cron scheduler that you might have used in Unix or Linux, but now with an intuitive preview of your schedule. Let's take a look at how it works. The 5-character syntax in cron represents the minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week in your schedule. So looking at the first example, for 9 a.m., we would do 0 minutes and 9 hours. And to specify the first Tuesday of every month, we would just look for a Tuesday somewhere between days 1 through 7 of the month. And because we're not specifying a specific month, I put an asterisk there, and Tuesday would be the second day of the week using the syntax. So just looking at the intuitive preview, it says 9 a.m. between days 1 and 7 and on the first Tuesday, which just means the first Tuesday of every month. So taking a look at the second example, to schedule the data transfer for noon, we would do 0 minutes and 12 hours. And because it's the fifth day of every month, we just do 5. And because we're specifying only the first month of every quarter, we would just pick the months 1, 4, 7, and 10. And we're not specifying a day of the week, so I put an asterisk there. And once again, looking at this intuitive preview at noon on day 5 of the month in January, April, July, and October. So as you can see, I could very quickly set up a custom schedule with 0 guesswork and 0 errors. Got suggestions for more topics? Drop us a note at product@workato.com, and thank you for dropping by.